Hello everyone, welcome back to Civil Learning Online YouTube channel, and today in this video I am going to discuss about the first principle of derivative. This is my second video which is related to the first principle of derivative, and as we all know that the derivative of sin x is cos x, and in this lecture I am going to show you how we can find the derivative of sin x that equals to cos x using the first principle of derivative. So without any further delay, let's get started. So I am going to write here solution, and as usual the first line is going to be let delta x and delta y be the small increment in x and y, and we can write sin x as y equals to fx equals to sin x. So from this we will have y plus delta y equals to sin x plus delta x. Now we will discuss a little bit about the first principle of derivative. From here we will have delta y equals to sin x plus delta x minus y, which is equals to sin x plus delta y minus, and y, since y equals to sin x, so we will have here sin x. So finally we have delta y equals to sin x plus delta x minus sin x. So in order to apply the first principle of derivative, we will write delta y upon delta x equals to sin x plus delta x minus sin x divided by delta x. Again we know that sin c minus sin d equals to 2 cos c plus d by 2 times sin c minus d by 2. So we will apply this formula in the numerator here. So delta y upon delta x equals to 2 cos c, in place of c we have x plus delta x plus x upon 2 times sin x plus delta x minus x upon 2, and this whole divided by delta x. Now we know that by first principle of derivative, by first principle, what we have, dy upon dx equals to limit delta x tends to 0 delta y upon delta x equals to limit delta x tends to 0 2 cos 2x plus delta x by 2 times sin x, and x get cancelled out, so delta x upon 2 by delta x upon 2 times 2. So that we know that sin delta x by 2 by delta x by 2 will be equals to 0, 1, because since sin delta x upon 2 by delta x upon 2 will be equals to 1. So I have converted this delta x by divided by 2 and multiplied by 2, so that this term will become 1. So further we will have dy upon dx equals to limit delta x tends to 0, and this 2 gets cancelled out, and sine delta x by 2 by delta x by 2 becomes 1, and remaining we will have here cos 2x plus delta x upon 2. Since on applying the limit, we will have here cos 2x by 2, 2 and 2 gets cancelled out. So finally we will have, therefore dy upon dx equals to cos x, and this is our final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and take care of yourself, and do not forget to subscribe Civil Learning Online YouTube channel if you do not want to miss any updates.